Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well guys, I apologize for no video updates the past 2 days. I was laid up with a kidney stone. Luckily I passed it and I'm as good as new now. But my research staff was able to help me get reports out to our subscribers, and it's been a banging week here at InsiderFinancial.com. Wednesday's report opened at 90 cents after a significant gap and ran all the way to $1.11 on significant interest before closing at 106. This was a 23% move from the open to the highs during the session. Last Wednesday's report saw an average trade of $2 during the session. On Monday, it tapped $3.25 for an incredible 60% move in just a few days. Then our report on Monday opened at $1.13 and hit $1.32 that same session, closing near the day's high. We are looking to keep this streak running with a low floater for subscribers tomorrow. According to FinViz, the float is just under 1 million shares and insiders own 64% of the company. This Nasdaq small cap trades under $1.50 a share. To get our full report on this company, click that link in the description, go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. Again, we are a completely free service, no spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. Well, even if you didn't sign up as a subscriber, we have just been absolutely killing it here. You would have known about Tupperware, TUP. TUP has been this week's biggest runner. The stock is now up 346% in the past 5 days. I talked about it in my last video. I said get ready, on the hunt for another big runner this week. And there it is right there at the top of the video. This video covers TUP, so that was the highlight of the video. You know, I've been saying that the small cap market is back, and it is. You just have to know which stocks to play. And, you know, also understand that none of these are long-term holds. TUP is running right now, but it will most likely come back down. It's just the nature of small caps. If you look at small caps through the lens of pump and dump, you will really start to understand how these markets work. You want to be in for the pump and out for the dump, before the dump. Rinse, repeat, move on to the next play. Don't fall in love with any of these small caps, especially these story stocks. Classic example is ABVC this week. I played the pump and got out. I was in the stock less than 15 minutes. It had the opening pump where it ran from 9:30 to 9:45, and then it was done. I should have shorted it, but I don't like going long a stock and then shorting it the same day. If I do short, I will short the next day when I know the pump is finished. Then all the bag holders are caught, nervous longs, they panic, and the stock just goes, drifts lower. Look at the chatter on StockTwits, and you will, about ABVC. You will get a sense of what I'm talking about here. ABVC. This is why I never hold pharmas. Only trade. They're face rippers. Panic sell should ensue. Congrats to whatever. But ABVC. Stupid bulls never learn. ABVC. Hope you're not holding from that pump to $6 the other day. These penny stocks can never be trusted. All they do is dilute and screw you, and it is true. This guy with ABVC, piece of shit. He's got a photo of Biden. I don't know who he's talking about there. Not getting into politics. If he's talking about ABVC or his profile photo, again, don't want to get into politics here. It's a total crap show, if you know what I'm talking about, what's going on in politics. But, then today here, ABVC, they do an offering right before the opening. I mean, just scumbags. I mean, it really is management, the board. You should be ashamed of yourselves to go and do an offering, announce an offering at 9:22 a.m. It's just, I feel bad for anyone that was, still long, didn't get out, on Wednesday. So, again, trade them, don't own them, guys. But, in terms of TUP, the company did not issue any news or post an SEC filing for, to justify this huge run. It's running on absolutely no news. It's become a meme stock, hence the thumbnail of my last video was meme stocks. 25% of the float is short, so it's simply, retail enthusiasm combined with short covering. But don't feel bad for the shorts. TUP is still down 76% from the highs. You got a 52-week range of 61 cents to 12.86. So that means, there's still a lot more room to run. We broke through here. There's really no resistance, but the RSI is overbought at 85. So again, if you are still long TUP, use a trailing stop, or book profits. You'll never go broke taking a profit. You could always re-enter, especially if you trade Robinhood or Webull. Webull, click that link in our description. You can sign up, deposit $100, get up to 12 free stocks with our referral link. But Tupperware in April, the board actively engaged with management to improve the company's capital structure and near-term liquidity. TUP also engaged financial advisors to assist in securing supplemental financing and said it was in discussions with potential investors or financing partners. TUP is reviewing its real estate portfolio for properties available for potential dispositions or sale-leaseback transactions and is exploring right-sizing efforts, monetization of fixed assets, cash management, and marketing and channel optimization to preserve or deliver additional liquidity. But today's biggest runner was FEMY. Closed up 130%. This just goes to show you what can happen in this market with a low floater in news. The company released news before the bell, and it took off. Was a pre-market gainer, float under 10 million shares. The PR, they announced notice of allowance for new U.S. patent application covering use of FEMBlock for female permanent birth control. So again, with what's going on with Roe v. Wade, the overturning, Dodd, and contraception, this is a hot topic right now. So birth control certainly a hot sector right now, and that is explains why FEMY had the big run today. But there's going to be some new names that I am adding to my watch list. First up is ULBI, big earnings. I saw it on my pre-market watch list today, but volume was light, so I didn't trade it. We'll keep watching it for more trading. For more trading opportunities. Clear breakout on the chart here. This was the trend line resistance. Broke through that. It was a good earnings report. Sales of 42.7 million, representing 32.9% year-over-year increase. Operating income of 3.7 million compared to just 800,000 for the 2022 second quarter. Adjusted EPS of 29 cents compared to 3 cents last year. Adjusted EBITDA of 6.3 million or 14.7% of sales versus 2.2 million last year. Backlog increased to 110.9 million, the highest level in company's history, and it has just $121 million market cap. So great earnings report from ULBI. Let's see if there's more trading opportunities going forward, adding it to my watch list. Next up, guys, is SIGA. News after the bell. 8% of the float is short. Look at this 52-week range. $4.72 to $24.93. It's down 79% off the highs. Double bottom here, coming off the lows. I think we can get a nice move. RSI is only 48, so this has been a beaten down name, trading at just 4 times forward earnings, 11 times current earnings, no debt, $1.64 in cash per share. So again, certainly looks interesting here. SIGA. This was the news after the bell. They announced U.S. government procurement orders of approximately 138 million for oral and IV TPOXX. Let's look over here. Market cap just 359 million. So this is a significant PR out after the bell. So put SIGA on your radar screen for tomorrow. Next up, guys, is SRFM. Just completed its IPO. Got absolutely shellacked today. Waiting for a bounce. We'll look for trading opportunities. Just putting it on my radar screen. SRFM. I have no position in any of these right now. They're all on my watch list. So I don't talk my book. You know what I mean? So guys, just putting that out there. All these are on my radar screen. We'll be looking for trading opportunities going forward. And next up here is XERS. News after the bell, but I don't really like the chart setup. We'll watch this one, see if it develops, but right now not seeing anything. Just adding it to my watch list. Let's see if it how it looks going forward. So just throwing this out here. But what we try to do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there's always opportunities each day in the markets. The problem for traders is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and ride that wave. But tomorrow, it's all about our low float profile. Subscribers, check your inboxes. The report is already out. For you new guys, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck tomorrow. Bye-bye.